Alright guys, so this is the CCTV footage of a motorcycle being stolen. So, introducing you the Tramigo GPS Tracking. The FCT, this device is designed for monitoring of vehicles and can be used for light vehicles and motorbikes only. So this Tramigo GPS is super affordable security solution for your vehicle, and it has remote immobilization, so you can shut down the engine in case of theft. Plus, it also has configurable geofencing, which automatically detects an unauthorized movement beyond your set areas. You get real-time tracking and security alarms if your vehicle is stolen. Plus, it has a built-in eSIM, so you can track it anywhere without additional charge. And the best part is easy to install and easy to hide for added security. So with the help of this app, kahit nasaan ka pa, you will always have peace of mind because Tramigo GPS Tracking provides real-time update so you can monitor your vehicle anytime and in anywhere.